Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to present about my final year project 1. The title is Portable Refrigerator by using Peltier as cooling medium. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Zikri bin Midin from BMMH. My supervisor name is Encik Syed Kushairi bin Syed Nordin. There are 6 of contents for this slide. Introduction, problem statement, objective and project scope, literature review, methodology, and lastly, data analysis. Okay, let me explain for the introduction. Refrigeration is a process to remove the heat from cold medium to hot medium. The word of heat transfer is the mechanical word. The function of a thermoelectric refrigerator similar as conventional compressor refrigerator. Thermoelectric devices are function for both heating and cooling. After transferring current into two heat sinks connected to its hot and cold sides, thermoelectric module technology pumps heat in a particular direction. The benefit of Peltier is silent operation, a long lifespan, being small and ecological friendly, and no maintenance. It has no moving part or liquid to operate, and it can switch between chilling and heating modes quickly, making a better option than conventional refrigerator. I will explain about the problem statement. The first problem statement is the hot side of the Peltier. The Peltier device's hot side heat up within a few minutes. Instead, by attaching the hot part to the heat sink, the heat is removed from the surroundings. Okay, for the second problem is low cooling temperature. By using only one Peltier, refrigeration of the portable refrigerator cannot reach the required cooling temperature. This will affect the food and beverage that will be stored in the refrigerator. Okay, for the objective, there are many methods for lowering the Peltier module's heatsink temperature to lower the cooling temperature of a portable refrigerator. In this research, the following are the specific objectives. Okay, for the first one is to design and construct a portable thermoelectric refrigerator using a Peltier module. And for the second one is to investigate the impact of ambient temperature, insulation material, heatsink design, and saving power on the power supply of a portable thermoelectric refrigerator. Okay, for the project of scope. This project aims to design a portable thermoelectric refrigerator that uses a Peltier module and improve its efficiency using a variety of techniques, including changing the insulation material, heatsink design, and saving power on the power supply as a cooling source. Design the project as well to get the ideal temperature of the smart portable refrigerator using thermoelectric module, that is Peltier. I will explain some of literature review that I was found for this project. The title for the first one is Thermoelectric Cooling Heating Unit Performance under Actual Conditions. A thermoelectric cooling heating unit is a cutting-edge technology that uses thermoelectric phenomena to heat and cool a building. Second title is experimental study of a mini cooler by using Peltier thermoelectric cell. The Peltier thermoelectric cell was sandwiched between two heat sinks, one exterior and the other inside the cooler box, which remove heat. Okay. Third title is design method of thermoelectric cooler. The thermoelectric module's performance curve, which was acquired experimentally, is utilized in the design computation. Next title is electronic cooling using thermoelectric device. Thermoelectric coolers or Peltier coolers pump heat in the opposite direction of normal heat flow. Okay, for the methodology. This project started with on the power supply. After that, connect all wire to the power supply. The current will flow to both outside fans. Next, the current will flow to both inside fan. The current also flow to the Peltier. After that, the current will flow to the thermometer. If the temperature less than 10 degrees Celsius, the power supply will automatically off. If not less than 10 degrees Celsius, the power still on until it reach under 10 degrees Celsius. The next slide is hardware implementation. There are many hardware users in this project. I will explain the function also for each item. For the first one is a foam box, the best insulation material. Heat sinks transfers thermal energy from a higher temperature device to a lower temperature fluid medium. Axial fan is used to keep the heat sink cool. A Peltier element is a device that converts electricity directly into a temperature across a plate, making one side hot and one side cold. The thermometer controls power to most electrical devices depending on the temperature detected by the integrated high precision NTC temperature sensor. And for the last item is battery 12 volt rechargeable used for this case to supply enough power. Next, software implementation. In this slide, the picture shows the simulation that I draw using software. The software is SketchUp Pro 2020 program that is utilized to create a portable refrigerator project as a mix of simulation and design. The simulation of a portable project refrigerator utilizing Peltier as the cooling medium. For the data analysis, data on temperature versus time will be plotted to see the effect of time on temperature. Next, to determine whether proposed portable refrigerator give different effect on temperature. Statistical analysis will be used. I will apply independent t-test to compare between data and proposed portable refrigerator and the existing one. This test will give decision whether the proposed refrigerator is different, that means better or not, with the existing result. In conclusion, this is final year project 1. That means I find some articles that are related to my projects, that is portable refrigerator by using Peltier as cooling medium. I was do some sketch for this project and do a simulation. Lastly, I will modify this project time by time and discuss with my supervisor to achieve the objective successfully. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation.